Welcome to Nest Pretty and my wardrobe. My name is Heidi Gamel. I am a curator of a Nest Pretty lifestyle, which means making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guidebook, and it is so much fun. So I am still in the process of curating my summer 10-piece wardrobe. I did purchase 2 items. I had a consultation with a stylist, and she helped me to decide on 2 things. I still need to press them, but this is one. This is a sleeveless Durham top from J. McLaughlin, and this is now my 4th top from them. I love them. The other 3 tops I purchased from them I've had since 2017, and they still look pristine. So I'm really excited that now I have a short sleeve version for the summer. The other thing I got was a pair of pants, and the tags are still on. I still have to spend some time with them and make a decision. So making 2 purchases for my 10-piece wardrobe was a big step forward. However, it has made me pause because I want to now contemplate what else is needed. So I made a goal this week to not spend any money. I don't know about you, but sometimes when you spend a little bit of money, you're like, whoa, let me take a break now, because that was exhausting. Or maybe it's just because I did some shopping, which is work for me, for whatever reason. So I added 2 pieces, and we'll see. I'm still contemplating. So here's the thing about curating anything, whether it's your wardrobe or your decor or your groceries. It takes time, and it takes thought, and it takes intention in order to purchase things that you absolutely love, that your family loves. So give yourself time. I'm already, let's see, summer started June, and we're already the middle of July, so I only have a month and a half to finish this capsule, but that's okay. It's a process. It's a process. We were invited to go on a boat, and I don't have anything to wear, so that's going to be the next thing. Process and no rush. However, having the goal of not spending any money this week did cause me to pause, because I did say, let me just look a little bit on Pinterest, and I found this adorable dress, and there's only 4 left. We'll see if there's any left next week, because this week I'm not spending any money. And I like to keep the promises I make to myself. So I'm sure there'll be a dress there at the end of the week or next week. So one change I did make, I did hang up my shorts since it's summer. My shorts are always in my closet, but they're usually in a box. But to make them a little more accessible, I hung them up. I still haven't worn any of my shoes, so there's that. And otherwise, my closet is perfectly organized. Here is one thing, though. Yesterday, and you're all going to be shocked. I know you're going to be shocked, but I'm doing it. Yesterday, I wore my favorite shirt. This shirt. You've seen me wear it many times, over and over and over and over again. This shirt was given to me actually by my sister-in-law as a hand-me-down. I don't know how long she had it, but she gave it to me like 15 years ago, and I wear it like 2 times a week. I love this blouse. this shirt. Yesterday I wore it though, and I found myself tugging and twisting and adjusting and rearranging. And I said, you know what? It's done. It's over. So I came home and I told my husband, don't be shocked, but I think you're going to be excited. I'm getting rid of it. Do you know what he said? He said, don't get rid of it. It still looks really good. Has that ever happened to you? You make the decision based on your own feelings about how it fits and how it feels and how you feel in it. And then you're like, I'm getting rid of it. And somebody says, no, it looks great on you. No, I'm getting rid of it. It's official. In the words of a dear friend of mine, that shirt owes me nothing. It has served me well, and I don't owe it anything either. So that's something I'm getting rid of. So I made space for something new, exciting, and fresh. Yeah, so that's that. I'm getting rid of it. I'm going to have to find a new favorite. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Here's the thing. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day. And that small choice is going to really set me up for some wonderful days of no tugging and no rearranging and no squirming in my clothes. In my private Facebook group, we have a challenge going on, and I'm presenting you with a little task every week that helps to lead to a beautiful life. So join me over there if you would like in on that. Also, this week in the Nest Pretty Book Club, we will be discussing my favorite chapter, I do believe, Chapter 6, Elevating the Mundane to the Spectacular. I can't wait to hear how you have implemented that in your life. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Nest Pretty. See you soon. Bye.